Have you ever wondered how Greenland got its icy name? Well, let's embark on a journey to unravel this and 9 more intriguing facts about Greenland. Starting at number 10, Greenland isn't as green as you'd think. Despite its verdant name, over 80% of Greenland's vast landscape is covered by an ice sheet. This massive sheet of ice, second only to Antarctica's, is nearly 2 miles thick in places. Number 9 brings us to a rather contradictory fact. Greenland isn't even owned by the Greenlanders. It's an autonomous territory of Denmark. This means that while it has its own local government, it relies on Denmark for matters like foreign affairs and defense. Moving on to number 8. Greenland is the world's largest island that's not a continent. Yes, Australia doesn't count because it's a continent. Greenland spans over 800,000 square miles, making it over 3 times the size of Texas. At number 7, we find that Greenland is also the least densely populated country in the world. With a population of just over 56,000 people, there's a lot of room to breathe. In fact, there's about 1 person for every 14 square miles. Number 6 reveals that Greenland is home to the world's largest national park. Northeast Greenland National Park spans over 377,000 square miles. That's larger than most countries. Halfway through at number 5, despite its icy reputation, Greenland is home to over 500 species of plants. These hardy species have adapted to survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. At number 4, did you know that Greenland's ice sheet is so heavy, it has caused the island to sink into the Earth's crust? That's right, the land underneath the ice is actually below sea level. Coming in at number 3, Greenland's capital, Nuuk, is the smallest capital in the world by population. With less than 18,000 residents, it's a small city with a big heart. At number 2, we discover that Greenland's ice sheet isn't just a massive block of ice. It's actually a dynamic and shifting landscape, constantly moving and reshaping due to the forces of gravity. And finally, at number 1, Greenland has been inhabited off and on for at least the last 4,500 years by Arctic peoples, including the Inuit. Their rich cultural heritage is woven into the fabric of this unique land. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Greenland. From its icy landscapes and sparse population to its status as the world's largest island, Greenland is a place of stark contrasts and surprising details. Perhaps the most surprising fact of all is that despite its name, Greenland is more ice than green. So next time you're looking at a map, give a second thought to this icy giant. It's much more than meets the eye.